Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in my previous video we would have seen what is a collection or what are the features present in a collection. So in this video guys, we'll learn how to run a collection. So without any further ado, let us start the video. For running a collection, just click on the three dots here. You have to click on the run collection. So before that, I just created the empty folders. So I don't have any folder here. So let us populate some requests. So in our previous video, you would have seen I would have taken one of the get requests. So I have taken the list users, right? When I click here, so I'll get all the users here. So what I'll do, I'll go back to my Postman. I'll create a request here. Three dots, add request. So request name will be get. So what is request here? List user. So I'll write this request as list user. Okay. I'll paste the URL here. We don't have authorization for this. It's just simple data which is fake data, so not an issue. Just we can easily click on send, so we are getting a response. Okay, let me add one more request. So that will be, so this is a single user, so let me copy this. So let me go back to Postman. So let me paste it here. So let me click on send. Yeah, we are getting the result. So let me save this both. Let me edit this as single user. Okay, so let me go back to list user. Let me save this. So if I want to run this properly, run the entire collection, just minimize this. Just have to click on three dots, run collection. You can give as many iterations. Let me give 3 iterations. You can click on advanced settings. You can click on save responses, run the test collection. It will run the 3 iterations. This is the first iteration, the second iteration, third iteration. You can view the summary, you can go back, you can view the results, you can export the results also. It will directly open the path to save the test run. Okay, I don't want to save this also. So this is how, this is a test collection runner. So in this runner you can run each and every request. So hope you would have liked the video guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're new here, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care, have a great day, bye bye.